Hey, what's up? Okay, so today we're gonna be making chicken Alfredo, my style, my take. It's gonna be different, but it's cool. Yeah, follow along. Alright, we're gonna start off with a pot of water, fettuccine, and so boil the pot of water for about 10 minutes. Okay, so what we're gonna use today is one broccoli, and then we're gonna use bacon, and then chicken right here, and then we're gonna be adding shrimp. This is the Alfredo sauce that I don't usually use this one, but it's just what they had at the store at the moment, so we're just gonna use it. Alright, so this one has the bone there. What we're gonna do, we're just gonna break it, and then there's a sauce bone right here. Go up the side, and just take out the meat, and then we're gonna save the bone for like broth, and like you can use it for like other kind of dishes and stuff like that. And then same here, another bone right here, straight down. You got your thigh piece, and then you got the drumstick. Same thing, we're just gonna put the meat right off of it.
Shrimp. What's in there?
Paprika, some salt, some chili powder, and then pepper. That's it. All right, we're gonna use a wok.
Adding the chicken.
And now goes the shrimp. You don't want to cook the shrimp too long, it's gonna overcook. It's gonna not taste that good.
So the shrimp's gonna go real quick. And it's all just waiting for the color. Once it starts turning orange, then you just turn them off. And then let it slowly cook. And then once you put it in the sauce, then we'll cook everything all together in one wok.
Alright, so for the broccoli, you don't want to overcook it. And we're gonna let it stay kind of crunchy, and then put in Alfredo sauce. I know, it looks kind of weird, but trust me, this is life changing.
One for, I have 2 servings, we're doing a big serving, so. The second one, heat down, don't want to heat too high. Just let it simmer for a little bit. You want to use that.
Next we're gonna stir this real quick, and then we're gonna get the cheese. Put the cheese in there for the last time. I use mozzarella, so any kind of mozzarella, it's up to you.
Pretty much like it.
Yep, and it should give you a little stringy texture. And then goes the fettuccine. Okay, all right. Time to eat. So, final product. Football.
이거.
Cream Alfredo. Some shrimp, chicken, and the bacon earlier. It's in there, but yeah. Give it a try. See if you like it. Got sriracha, paprika. If you like a little bit of color, a little bit of taste. And then shout out to Little Caesars for the crushed peppers. Get your greens in. That was quick. And we made this in like, what, 20 minutes? 20-minute recipe. It's pretty easy. Pretty fast. Prep time didn't take that much doing too, so. Alright. That's it. Let's catch you guys next time.